Hello friends, I'm going to show you how to fluff the bow you get in your Merry and Bright kit. So this is what will show up, and we're going to start by kind of pulling your pieces out around the back of your greenery. And then we're going to work your pieces of your bow out. And I always start with the bottom ones and just kind of get them pulled in different directions. They're all wired ribbon, so you can fluff them and pull them, and you'll probably do this a ton. And then they each have, there's 4 different ribbons, and each have 2 bows and 2 tails. So you just kind of put them in different areas. And this is actually easier to do once you've attached it to your sign, but I wanted to show you without it attached. You'll probably end up messing with it a couple times. And you can go on this side and like see where you need a blank. You kind of need to have a blank spot over here, so you just pull and twist. And I try to do things in their opposites, so and you certainly can trim any of these tails up if you want, or anything like that. And like I said, you just kind of work with it till you get what you want. You can push them kind of like this to fluff them up with your hand. So I get it about kind of there. And then I would attach it to my sign, because you put these through the little holes on your sign, screw it on, and then fluff it again once you finally get everything in place. Because when you flip that sign over, you'll smash everything and you'll have to refluff it if you want. And you can kind of pull stuff and make them tighter and looser. And like I said, there's no right way to do this. You just fluff and move. Keep fluffing and moving stuff.